Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have recently started this channel where I share daily market analysis and also update important market-related information. I do not have any professional setup. You can see the background. I have my wardrobe. And yes, I do have got a green screen also, but I do not have time to edit, so I have just skipped a part. It's just hanging there. Okay. Um, without any delay, let's get started. Today is Friday, 12th February 2021, and we have the chart of USD Japanese yen in front of us, and I'm using the 4 hours time frame. What to do? As you can see that right now it is trading at 105.08, and the next resistance is at 105.64, and it has bounced from this level. So right now it is trading in the middle. So what should be our strategy? Okay, I'll just recommend that see right now it is very risky to go ahead and place the order. So the best thing that would be just wait, have some patience, and just observe where does it go. Okay, if it goes up and touches this particular price level 105.64, you can short it if your strategy or candlestick pattern or indicator confirms you. Do not trade in isolation. Just remember it. Do not trade in isolation. You should always have the confirmation also, because um, some because this is not the ultimate level. Okay, from there it can go for a breakout also. So in that case, you just need to have the confirmation with the help of your favorite indicator. I use stochastic RSI. That's my personal favorite. You can use RSI, MACD, whatever. And most importantly, just observe whether there is price rejection from above or not. If you observe this candle, you can see that yes, there is rejection from above, rejection from above, rejection from above. So you should have some rejection of price rejection from above. Then only you should go ahead and place the sell order. And if it goes down, and if it hits this particular price zone, then you need to observe carefully how it is reacting at that particular price. If it bounces from this level, yes, you can easily go ahead and place the buy order. That's it. And if you want to switch to a smaller time frame, let me show you 1 hour time frame. How does it look like? 1 hour time frame is also not giving us a clear picture. It has a resistance here, so you can expect some reversal also, but this is not a good place to trade, I'll say, because things are not very clear in 1 hour time frame. But 4 hour time frame is giving us a good picture. So just stick to the 4 hour time frame, and just remember uh, this will be your no trading zone. Right now it is a no trading zone, so only trade at 105.64 level, or if it comes down, place your trade at 104.52 level. And if there's a breakdown at this particular level with some good volume, you can short it also. Then your first target will be this level. Okay, this level 104.20, or this level 103.62. But uh, whenever there is a breakout or breakdown, just keep in mind that it should have some volume. Otherwise, it's a fake out, not a breakout. Okay, hopefully you all have understood. Mm, the, that's it with USD JPY. Okay, if you have liked the video and found it informative, please like the video and subscribe my channel, because I'll be coming daily with 10 currency pairs analysis, and I also analyze stock markets also. Okay, So if you want to become a pro, and if you want to know how to analyze market, and if you want to stay ahead of the market, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much and good luck.